Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Hot 40i, and let me share with you how to show the battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So basically all we have to do is to either enter this Power Marathon icon, or if you cannot find it, no worries, simply enter the settings and the Power Marathon should be somewhere here also. There, we've got it. So let's enter Power Marathon and tap on battery settings. And as you can see here, we've got the option battery percentage, which is of course in my case turned on. I've got the percentage inside the battery icon. If you've got it turned off, all you have to do is to tap on the switcher and you will also have the battery percentage displayed on the status bar. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.